Okay, hi guys. Today we're gonna be cross trading with Cherryberrysaj, and I really hope that I don't get scammed. So let me. Okay, she's okay. Oh my god. And plus she doesn't even know that I is recording. So I really need these. It's basically neon bows for a mystic spike. There's my neon bows right there. I don't really know anymore, so oof. Here's my new outfit, by the way. So right, let me get my fuzzy fast box. So that's cool. Oof, I think they're actually scamming me. Which is sad because I hate scammers, and yeah. Yeah, I don't really know, but I really need this mystic spike because oof, and oof. But if I get scammed, then I will legit die. So so I might have to redo my intro, but it'll be the same, but instead with Mystic Spike. Hey, unlocked. Put that on. As well. Okay. Oh my god, seriously, I'm so scared. But I don't know. Trade me on another jumpy world. Trade me. Oh wow, I just got scammed. God, I was recording that. But seriously though, I just got scammed out of Neon Bow! With proof. Aww. Cherryberrysaj. Everyone report Cherryberrysaj right now. Oh god. Seriously, I've got scammed so many times because of this. And one time my blue HD got scammed by this. So guys, this was just proof that you mustn't scam. Okay, goodbye.